Let's recreate this cool masking transition in DaVinci Resolve. Yes, it only requires the free version, and no, we don't go in the Fusion page, so it's really easy to recreate. I'm also going to show you a general masking hack that I see a lot of people do wrong. Let's start right with the tutorial. We basically need two shots, one where an object is passing by and the second one where we want to transition into. When you shoot your footage, there are some things you want to watch out for to really sell this effect. First and most important is that your object is covering the complete frame from top to the bottom, and going from one direction all the way to the other one. To really sell this effect, you want to use the same camera motion in both shots. If the speeds are not matching, you always can change this in post-production. Now, after a successful shoot, let's import our clips into DaVinci Resolve. Put the first clip with the passing by object on the top, and the second clip under it right at the point where your object appears in the first shot. With your upper clip selected, we head over into the color page. We are color grading before, and in our last node we're actually going to create our mask. But before we do that, we need to right click and add an alpha output and connect the node with the blue dot. This is the general way to make something transparent in DaVinci Resolve. Now go to the beginning of your clip, head over to the window page and select the pen tool. Start drawing your mask by clicking and creating points. Because before we continue, we want to add a little feather here on this slider to make the mask more smooth. And to invert it, we want to click this button here to make sure the right side is cut out. Now we need to keyframe our mask. To activate it, we need to go to the keyframe section, and because we are doing the mask in our third node, we also want to activate the keyframe of our third corrector. Side note, you need to move the mask a bit to actually activate the keyframe. And this is the point now where a lot of people make a big mistake. A lot of people on YouTube teach you now to go frame by frame and adjusting it this way, but I'm going to show you now a way faster method. I want you that you go all the way to the end of your clip and reposition the mask here. And if you play it back now, you can see in between the mask is actually moving. Of course it's not perfect. That's why we go now in the middle and reposition it there. And move our way to the next middle and check it again and reposition it there. Scroll through the clip and find the points where we have to reposition it. Make sure you keyframe the mask all the way out of your clip. Go back now into your edit page, hit play and check if your transition is working. Adjust it if you need it. Take this skill, go outside and start creating.